Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can use Skye in Valorant. So when I'm attacking, I like to pull out the sort of wolf around here, and then you need to check sides. You can even go up the stairs to check further. You can also use the bird to blind people, so press it and sort of move it. Oh, not there, sorry. There was a bit of a lag. For instance here, move it and press E to activate the flash. This is what it'll look like if I press E. So as you can see, I'll be blinded by that. C is for healing your teammates. You can heal more than one person, which is very useful. And when you're defending on the A site, you can stand right here and again pull this out. Oh. And again check main. You can also do it from ropes. Like so. Oops. Hold on, my it's very laggy. But you're gonna want to do this. If you see an enemy, you can just press your mouse button to bite them. You can also check if there's an enemy by using the bird, so do that and a flash. And let's go to B. So when I'm defending on B, I like to check both arcade and main. So let's just go to the tower, press Q, and again press to find if there's any enemies on arcade or not. If it's clear, that's good. If you don't want to use the sort of wolf flash dog on the arcade side, you can use your bird to find your enemies. So you can also do it on main. I like to do it here, and you can definitely find people going to be. And the ult, oh wait, let me go from the attacking side. Just get it out here like so, and you can go here or even go up there. Oops, I missed the stairs, but you can just go up here to the planting site. And then the ult is it's going to find the people left in this game, where they are, by following the trails. So seek them out, but I don't have any targets available to show you that. But that's basically how you can use the ult. It's pretty simple to use Skye. Skye and Sofa for me is like the simplest initiator. I'm not able to use Fade yet, but hopefully I will learn. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!